Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file corporate tax in Canada. Understanding your obligations is crucial for every business owner. All resident corporations, regardless of their income or activity level, must file a T2 corporation income tax return each year. This return is a fundamental requirement, ensuring compliance with Canadian tax laws. It's important to mark your calendar for the filing deadline, which is 6 months after your corporation's tax year end. Your corporation's tax year can be any 12-month period you choose, but once set, it usually remains consistent. While the T2 return is due 6 months after your year end, your corporate income tax payments are generally due much sooner, either 2 or 3 months after that same year end. For larger corporations, it's common to make regular installment payments throughout the year to avoid a large lump sum payment at the end. To prepare your T2 return accurately, you'll need to gather all essential financial documents. This includes comprehensive income statements, balance sheets, and any other relevant financial records for the entire tax year. Ensure you have your 9-digit business number and your corporate account number readily available. Depending on your corporation's specific activities, you may also need to complete various additional schedules to accompany your main T2 form. When it comes to filing your T2 return, most corporations opt for electronic filing using certified tax software, which is efficient and often preferred. However, you still have the option to mail a paper return to the appropriate tax center if that suits your preference. Remember, the Canada Revenue Agency offers a wealth of information, including detailed guides and online resources, to help you navigate the corporate tax filing process smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.